So, all right, enough of me telling you about what a topic channel is, how it sucks, and how getting rid of it is going to help you grow on YouTube. Let's go ahead and get down to the basics on just how simple it is to connect your official artist channel on YouTube with TuneCore if you have them as your distributor. It's super simple, okay? All right, so to connect your YouTube channel to your distribution with TuneCore and get rid of that stupid, useless topic channel, you first have to, of course, log into your TuneCore account. Duh, right? But once you log in, it's actually a little bit difficult to find how you connect your YouTube official artist channel to TuneCore, honestly. I had to go in, I had to Google it because for some reason, TuneCore doesn't make it easy to find out how to do this super simple task. TuneCore, please explain this. I have no clue why you don't want to tell people about it. But anyway, when I Googled it, it came up with an FAQ page, which I went ahead and linked down in the description below, so you can just click on it if you want to, or you can just go ahead and type in web.tunecore.com/YouTube_OAC, and it will take you to the page where it states out all the different requirements that you have to have in order to connect your official artist channel on YouTube with TuneCore distribution, as you can see right here on the screen. Now, unfortunately, another thing, TuneCore, please explain this, but one thing that it does not tell you in here is that your artist channel on YouTube has to have the same exact name as your artist name that you have with TuneCore for your distribution. If they do not have the same name, you will get it kicked back, and then they will tell you, oh yeah, you have to have the same exact name. And it's crazy because they should tell you on the list where it says what to do, but they don't. So again, TuneCore, please explain this. Why are you missing requirements? But anyway, once you have some music distributed with them and you've met all the requirements that are here, plus the hidden one, you can go ahead and click down at the bottom of the page and you'll see a drop down menu, and then you'll select your artist name, and then you just follow a couple of prompts, submit, and that's it. This could take up to 2 to 4 weeks to fully connect, and once it does, you're good to go. You no longer have that ridiculous, worthless topic channel, and it took you, what, 2 minutes of your time? And that's mainly because I had the link to the FAQ page for you instead of you having to Google it yourself. But that's just how easy it is. Maybe 2 minutes. Now, you can...
People say that they becoming proud of me because my revolutionary faculties got me switching up the game and changing minds. Get them out the system, I'll be saving lives.